I'm here at Harvard, also doing my own lectures. We just finished a class on the tariff war between the US and China. But today we want to look at AI. How do you use AI to sell, particularly to high net worth individuals? I will start by saying, are you aware there are a lot of AI tools right now that actually do better in prospecting than you as a human being can do? And I think this is a good thing, because now you have AI making your job, my job, a lot easier, helping you to know who is best prompt for one service or the other. Now I'll give you a few tools that you can look for online and that will really help your job better. One is AI SMS tool. And basically what this AI SMS tool does is it can send an SMS on your behalf. It can prompt, schedule a meeting on your behalf. It's just like an AI personal assistant, right? Schedule a meeting, put in a voice call, send voice notes, and so many other things. Can even do physical calls and say, hey, hello, my name is so. I'm here to schedule a meeting with you and Dr. Steven to discuss whether you're interested in buying real estate or not. Can you confirm what date and time you're interested? Now, using a tool like that is very powerful, because it's about efficiency here and helping you to really know who is ready. Sometimes we're lucky, you get a database of all. I'm just giving an example. People who play golf in Ikoyi club, people who lodge at a hotel. Then you could do some of these databases are out there. But the problem is we call it prospecting or cold calling. Cold calling is one of the hardest things in this world to do. But when you have AI helping you to do your cold calling, your world is suddenly beautiful and great again, because AI then, is the one insulted, particularly those angry customers who will be like, don't come again, get out of here. At least they're saying to AI, not you. And so he's able to then help give you those who really are interested, those who, for whatever reason, want to do business with you, and that just makes your life a lot better. So look for that. There are many of them out there. It may cost you a token, but get it. I've always said this: if you're going to take your business to the next level and begin to attract high net worth people, you spend some money. You need to brush up. You need to repackage yourself. You need to, work on yourself intellectually, physically, and otherwise. And these things are very, very important. I'll give you an example. I'm in a class now where 184 people in my Harvard class, right? It's a 3-module. This is the first one. It's 50,000 per module. We're doing 3 sessions, 150,000. Now, I suddenly have used $150,000 to build a new network of 184,000 people, which everybody here, the poorest amongst us in this meeting, has a company worth $20 million. That's the poorest. Now, you can analyze by yourself how much it's average transaction that we could do together with these people. Okay, what are the kind of opportunities that I'm going to be having? So what have I done? I've spent some good money to just open up potential customers, potential partners. In fact, from here I already have about 7 new companies I'm bringing to Africa and Houston, Texas, and some of those companies are not even US companies. So I'm able to expand them to US, I'm able to expand them to Dubai, I'm able to expand them to Doha, I'm able to expand to UK, and as well as Nigeria, just by being part of this class. So you will need to spend some money, okay, to get some good AI tools. But I promise you, it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth the money you spend. Is going to be worth the amount, and I encourage you to make the sacrifice and get the right AI tool that can help you connect with a lot of high net worth individuals. There are also new AI tools that help you to filter. It kind of help you to prospect and analyze at these people. You know, you could just give it a few information to say, help me go online, right? Do your research and analyze whether this person is the kind of person that can afford what I'm selling. What do we call it now? We call it qualifying AI tools, right? AI tools that qualify your leads and qualify your numbers, qualify your database. So you have this bunch of email addresses, bunch of phone numbers. There are AI tool now that can literally go research these numbers and AI and emails and say, hey, based on sites that this number has purchased something, based on transactions, based on where this email address has appeared, this person can afford this $1 million property or $500,000 property. And things like these are very, very important, very, very critical to your business, okay? And I think you should take it a lot serious. You know, you should invest in those kind of AI too, as they open the door for you to be able, in a sense, have quality leads, have quality leads of people in terms of high net worth individuals that can do business with you. And that's very, very important. The last part, which I also think is very key, is those of you who sell land. And I think we all sell land. GTS land is heavy. I mean, we sell more land than houses in Nigeria. And so you want to try to use some of the AI tools, right, that can help you to do a better presentation, right? So you can get better presentation. Those are my colleagues with our professor. Talk continues. But we have a lot of AI tools that can help you package the future of the land you're selling, right? So you can put some of, even ChatGPT can do some of this for you, where you prompt it. Of course, it may be the paid version of ChatGPT. You prompt it and say, hey, ChatGPT, help me come up with a better, I have this land I'm selling, it's also type of part of it, but you like it, use Google Map, use all the data available and pitch this land in form of a 3D in form of a 3D video, okay? And let's have a 3D video explaining the history, the opportunities of this particular land. And doing that, ladies and gentlemen, position you to have a better elevator speech, a better content that you can use to prospect and convince your customer to buy the land from you. And this is really huge and very, very key. So I hope you're able to take advantage of this to really, really scale your sales and really, really work on these AI tools and take your business to the next level. Same thing can be done for houses as well. Pitching why a house is good, potential return on investment. You'll be shocked what ChatGPT and other AI tools can do for you in helping you with your pitch. You sound better, you sound more educated, you sound like somebody prepared, who knows what they're selling, who know what they're doing. And that's really what you want to do, okay? Thank you for being part of this. And I hope you go do the assignments I've given you. And feel free to share. How has this impacted you? What have you learned? What's the value? What are the opportunities? These are very important. Don't just join this class and not do something. We need doers here, and a lot of time and energy is being created to do this. As you can see, extremely not comfortable to do, but I'm still here because we want to add value to you and we need you to make action. But the best way to reward the effort is do something. Take action. Okay? I also want to do a brief write-up to just share testimony of how this session has added value to you and what you've learned and how you'll be able to use it to move your business to the next level. Okay? Love you all. Thank you. God bless you. See you tomorrow.